Shifting and transmission operations. Hello folks, welcome to this lesson on shifting and transmission operations. The operation of vehicle transmissions is a fundamental aspect of automotive engineering that impacts both the performance and efficiency of a vehicle. This lecture focuses on the intricacies of shifting and transmission operations, including manual transmission shifting techniques, automatic transmission operations, and advanced methods such as double clutching and downshifting. Understanding these concepts is crucial for anyone involved in the automotive industry or in roles that require a deep knowledge of vehicle mechanics. Manual transmission shifting techniques. Manual transmissions are beloved by driving enthusiasts for the control they offer over vehicle performance. The fundamental components of a manual transmission system include the clutch, gear selector, and gearbox. Clutch operation. The clutch connects and disconnects the engine from the transmission. When you press the clutch pedal, it disengages the engine from the transmission to allow for a smooth gear change. Gear selection. Selecting gears manually involves using a gear stick to engage different sets of gears as the vehicle's speed or power requirement changes. Smooth shifting. For smooth gear transitions, matching engine speed with wheel speed by adjusting throttle input and timing the release of the clutch is essential. Basic manual shifting steps. Press down the clutch pedal fully. Move the gear stick to select the desired gear. Gradually release the clutch while simultaneously applying gentle pressure on the accelerator. Listen to the engine sound and feel the vehicle's performance to determine when it's time to shift to a higher or lower gear. Common mistakes include releasing the clutch too quickly, which can cause the vehicle to jerk, or shifting at improper speeds, which can lead to unnecessary strain on the gearbox. Automatic transmission operations. Automatic transmissions simplify driving by handling gear changes without driver intervention. They use a torque converter instead of a manual clutch to manage power transfer from the engine. Torque converter. This fluid coupling connects the engine to the transmission and allows the engine to spin somewhat independently of the transmission. Planetary gear system. Automatic transmissions use complex gear systems called planetary gears to provide different gear ratios. Hydraulic controls. Governed by the vehicle's speed and load conditions, hydraulic systems control the engagement of different gears. Automatics offer ease of use, making them ideal for urban environments where frequent stopping and starting are required. However, they often come at the cost of slight reductions in fuel efficiency compared to manual transmissions. Advantages of automatic transmissions: ease of use, especially for new drivers or in stop-and-go traffic. Reduced risk of stalling the engine. Smoother ride quality in most conditions. Double clutching and downshifting. Double clutching is an advanced manual transmission technique used to match the engine speed with the gearbox speed during shifts. Downshifting is primarily used to gain more engine power or apply engine braking. Double clutching technique: disengage the clutch and shift to neutral. Release the clutch pedal and let the engine return to idle speed. Press the clutch again before selecting the next gear. Engage the new gear and smoothly re-engage the clutch. This technique is particularly useful when driving older vehicles or heavy trucks which lack synchronized transmissions, but it can also benefit sports cars for quicker and smoother shifts. Steps for effective downshifting. Assess the need for downshifting, typically when the engine speed drops below the optimal range for your current gear. Press the clutch and move the gear shifter to a lower gear. Release the clutch gradually while applying throttle to prevent deceleration. Successful downshifting requires an understanding of the power band of your vehicle and the ability to synchronize gear and engine speeds effectively. Done properly, it enhances control over the vehicle during acceleration or when descending steep roads. Here's a summary: shifting and transmission operations in tractor-trailer. This module teaches students the skills and techniques required to operate a tractor-trailer's transmission system safely and efficiently. Topics covered include understanding tractor-trailer transmission systems: manual, automatic, semi-automatic, pre-shift checks and safety procedures, Basic shifting techniques: double clutching, shifting gears, downshifting and upshifting procedures. Managing speed and gear selection for various driving conditions: hills, curves, intersections. Troubleshooting common transmission issues. Upon completing this module, students will be able to confidently and safely operate a tractor-trailer's transmission system, ensuring smooth and efficient gear shifting and transmission operations. Here's a summary: manual transmission shifting techniques and automatic transmission operations. This module teaches students the skills and techniques required to operate manual and automatic transmissions safely and efficiently. Topics covered include manual transmission, basic shifting techniques: double clutching, shifting gears, pre-shift checks and safety procedures, upshifting and downshifting procedures, managing speed and gear selection for various driving conditions. Automatic transmission: understanding automatic transmission systems, operating automatic transmissions, shift selector, gear ranges, managing speed and gear selection for various driving conditions, troubleshooting common automatic transmission issues. Upon completing this module, students will be able to confidently and safely operate manual and automatic transmissions, understand the principles of transmission operation, apply shifting techniques and gear selection strategies for efficient and safe driving. Here's a summary of double clutching and downshifting. Double clutching. 1. Definition: double clutching is a driving technique used in manual transmission vehicles to shift gears smoothly and efficiently. 2. Process: it involves pressing the clutch pedal, shifting into neutral, releasing the clutch pedal, and then pressing it again to shift into the desired gear. 3. Purpose: double clutching helps to match the engine speed with the gear speed, reducing wear on the transmission and improving fuel efficiency. 4. Benefits: smoother shifting, reduced wear on transmission, improved fuel efficiency, and better control over the vehicle. Downshifting. 1. Definition: downshifting is the process of shifting into a lower gear while driving, typically to slow down or prepare for a turn. 2. Purpose: downshifting helps to reduce speed, increase control, and improve braking performance. 3. Technique: downshifting involves pressing the clutch pedal, shifting into a lower gear, and then releasing the clutch pedal while easing off the accelerator. 4. Benefits: improved control, reduced speed, increased braking performance, and better engine braking. Key differences: 1. Double clutching focuses on shifting gears smoothly and efficiently, while downshifting focuses on reducing speed and increasing control. 2. Gear selection: double clutching typically involves shifting into a higher gear, while downshifting involves shifting into a lower gear. 3. Driving situation: double clutching is used during normal driving, while downshifting is used during specific situations like slowing down or preparing for a turn. Remember to always follow safe driving practices and use double clutching and downshifting techniques responsibly. Conclusion: understanding transmission operations and mastering shifting techniques are vital skills for anyone deeply engaged in automotive technologies. Whether managing manual or automatic transmissions, knowing the intricacies of these systems not only improves driving performance but also extends the lifespan of the vehicle's machinery. Advanced techniques like double clutching and downshifting further refine one's capabilities, ensuring adaptability across various driving conditions and vehicle designs. Thank you for taking this lesson on shifting and transmission operations. We hope to see you in the next lesson. Stay tuned for more insights into the world of trucking.